Located in Cookeville City Limits, this one-level brick ranch west/partially finished basement features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, family room plus a den west/fireplace, a kitchen with all appliances, plus an eat-in area and large laundry room with built-ins. Partially completed basement features a safe room, workshop, oversized 2-car garage. A large bonus room on the main level offers 2,100 square feet. On the main level with between 600-700 square feet in the partially finished basement. Loads of storage throughout. Situated on 1.2 acres, partially fenced. Outbuildings do not stay. Septic tank is 10 years old and sewer connection availability is at the street. Easy to show. New laminate and carpet.